Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Also here, quick update only, not too much price action, but a few things to talk about. Ethereum remains also, as indicated here, similar to Bitcoin here, in a possible Elliott Wave triangle. There are just these two options really that we have at the moment unfold here. First of all, ABCDE triangle, very similar to what we had up here, just in small. And again, you know, this here was a wave 4, just a higher degree wave 4. And also here, this again is a wave 4. And, you know, we don't really like the wave 4s on this channel. They are designed to really bore you out of the market. And that this is a wave 4 really makes it for me more likely because, you know, it comes across as a triangle. So it is basically another hint that we are following the right wave count here, because they are boring and it starts to get like that. You know, it's starting to get like that. And even while this triangle now suggests that there will only be one more wave up in a wave E before we break to the downside, you know how it was up here. I already thought, because you could count this already as a complete triangle, I think here, yeah. And then we moved down and wave B came up and it became a larger triangle. So be aware that just because something is looking like it at the moment, it could just become a much bigger triangle. But on the other hand, this is a smaller wave degree, so it shouldn't technically be that much bigger. But yeah, be aware. So ABCDE, so this would suggest there will be a bit more upside in a wave E. Again, similar to the Bitcoin video I just recorded, you know, you can probably expect here some resistance around the previous swing high, 1135. But then if the wave E goes any higher, there's a good chance it could actually even move all the way to the AC line here, around about 1245. But only if it goes above the wave C itself. And even more important, the wave A, this is at 1264, then it will be technically invalidated and will be something different. So after this wave E to the upside, we would suggest that the triangle breaks to the downside. That is what it would normally do. And then we would complete here this wave 5. And with that, that is how I can currently see it. We would complete the overall correction on the Ethereum chart, yeah, on the Ethereum chart. So that is very important. But how far the wave 5 will eventually go down, we cannot calculate that without knowing when the wave 4 ends. So we need to wait for an indicator that the wave 4 is ended, and then we can calculate price target for the wave 5. Now this is one possibility. The other possibility is that also similar to Bitcoin, yeah. And again, charts take similar formations at the moment. They don't always do. Yeah, Ethereum to a degree decoupled from Bitcoin in the last few weeks, yeah, because it moved down much stronger. Maybe decoupling is the wrong word, but it moved down much stronger. So they don't always move in the same waves, because this was a different kind of wave pattern that Ethereum did. Here, ABC is what we can currently see on the Ethereum chart is the alternative wave count. Then we would suggest we've already moved down in a wave 1, so we can count it as either here wave 1 and wave 2 is now coming, and then we will follow with a sell-off here in a wave 3, 4, 5. That would then complete here this wave 5 in blue. In the end, both would lead to a very lower outcome, yeah, and I would remain, my target would be to the downside, you know, below 1264, definitely against that level. The focus has to remain to the downside. Now again, that wave 2 can retrace quite a lot. So this is something to consider. And if we consider this might be a wave 2, then we can see as an ideal target here the range between 1153 and 1213. So I'll just put it on the chart here that we can remember it in the next video. But I mean, even the 38.2% fib level is for a wave 2 acceptable, but higher would just be the ideal retracement area. Okay, so 50% to 78.6% fib level for wave 2 would be good. And from here it would then go down further. Yeah. So, and again, however, there is a chance that two different ways of counting this as well. Yeah, I just want to make you aware. Again, it wouldn't change massively the outcome, but again, we could count this here already as the wave 1 down, that the wave 2 isn't finished yet, and that we have within this again a flat pattern, which suggests that the wave B can go lower than the wave A low. So you have a wave A, a B, and a C. yeah, would also take us probably into this yellow target area. So that would be probably an expanded flat. If it's a running flat, it will end lower than the wave A. That's just what we need to see. But I think all these options, they suggest that we should go down from here. Yeah. And only if we go above 1264, I would consider something different. I'm not telling you it is impossible. Absolutely not. For me at the moment, probabilities point further to the downside. But as soon as we see a breakout above 1264, it could be already the breakout to new all-time highs. Now that won't happen in one move, I can tell you that, and it will take a while. But we need to be open to the idea that the correction can be finished at any point in time. Ethereum has done honestly what it needs to do. The $1,000 level will be the psychological support, absolutely. And yeah, so likelihood still down, but we need to be open to all directions, yeah, to all options. And hopefully this video was helpful. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership and make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the official links for that in the video description. And please make sure you only follow those accounts that are highlighted in the video description, because there are scam accounts. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.